LGBTQ member don't decide say go on strike, hunger strike to be precise. Into say because they know they consider their rights for this country where we dey. Say they don't abandon all the homosexual people. So he don't decide say go on hunger strike. And according to right, can't give us matter say they been get one party where I don't know who go inform police, so police can arrest people there. And now this guy they vex. It does say Nigerians now they go out of their way to they harass them. Say they go maltreat them, they go treat them bad, they go harass them. Meanwhile, they be meaning citizens of this country. Well-meaning citizens. Make I use according to your own English. And now it say this same-sex marriage prohibition act where Goodluck Jonathan sign. And for now we no know he sign and say anybody where they catch homosexual, all those things, say na 14 years imprisonment. And now the thing they vex am because this same 14 years imprisonment where they give normal people like them. This say na normal. Say na the same 14 years they go give rapists or armed robber or something. Say he know they see am right. So now him they go hungry. So if una want make it die, I beg. I no even want waste my time because put the video, make they watch.
On the 8th of March, around 8 a.m. in Anambra State, about 70 men were arrested at a birthday party. The police had gotten a tip that this was a gay party. The same thing happened about 2 years ago that led to the "they didn't cut me" era. Every other day, Nigerians armed with state-facilitated homophobia go out of their way to harm, harass, and assault LGBT well-meaning citizens of this country. The current Same-Sex Marriage Prohibition Act, SSNPA, which was signed into law by the former president Goodluck Jonathan, has a 14 years imprisonment sentence. Now, this is the same period of time that some rapists are sentenced to jail, which means queer people, for just existing, can go to jail for the same amount of time that rapists go for raping people. None of this is okay. My name is Victor Emmanuel, and I am announcing that I am going on an indefinite hunger strike until that bill, the SSNPA, is repealed. So yes, I would not eat until my body give out or until that law is repealed.
Hey, he say I will not eat. He say I'm not eating. This is not right. I beg. Every I say hunger never catch this boy before. Bros, you are not hungry. Hunger. You don't know the meaning of hunger. In fact, you have not experienced hunger. You dey go hunger strike for this nation. I be no be Nigeria we dey again. This same Nigeria where me and you know, where in fact I don't even know whether how to even describe her. Where nobody even care whether you live or whether you die. Nation where na normal thing for people to die of hunger. No be Naija. It's very normal. In fact, we have been living like this. People die of hunger every day. No be you go just see am for news. 12 children died of hunger. This. No be new thing. We have been hearing this thing since. And my brother, the fact said that you are even foolish. It no go make any difference. Just tell us that you want to be part of the asylum package where Joe Biden bring. Very simple. Just tell us. For now we don't know. Joe Biden himself, he don't give rules and regulation. Say if you dey any African country where you be homosexual, you belong to the LGBTQ. Say if they discriminate you, they know they treat you right, they know they give you right to perform your rituals. Perform your homosexual thing. He say you get right. You get right to go over there and practice it freely. And addition say that package involve visa and all those things, many things. So are the things saying I waiting this guy they find. My brother, just come outside and tell us the truth. Yeah, you will be hungry. You are going to stay like that. You go die. See, hunger will kill you. You never see anything. The part where even they shock me for this boy whole statement and the one way to say they arrest them for just existing. Say na because they exist, they arrest them. I no just understand. You think say una just dey exist? For your mind, una just dey exist. My brother, let me just correct that your mindset. Don't say it again. No, just make me hear am again. For just existing. You know the meaning of existing. You have come to this society, you dey give us headache. You dey carry men wey we suppose marry. Una don carry them. You dey talk say for just existing. You see that your food wey you talk say you no dey chop again. Ngwanu. Me, I am always humble. You understand? Bring that food. Send all your food stuff. Because no, I go teach am how to eat. Because obviously you no sabi eat. I go teach you how they chop. And if I catch you dey chop for this your life, the kind thunder wey go samosa you. That thunder, you never see am before. Even the color dey different. You will not eat. Please don't eat. Oh. Don't just eat. Just imagine nonsense wey dey come out from person. Hi! Chineke, see person husband wey just dey misbehave. You don't know say you be person husband. I don tire. In fact, see, I just dey pray say, I just dey pray. Oh, no be, I no dey insult anybody, but I dey pray. That thing wey una dey find, una go soon see am. That thing wey una dey find, I no wan mention name, but that thing una go soon see am. Abeg, make una carry Musa back to im gate. Carry Musa back to im gate, because since when Musa leave im post, Nigeria has become different. They come outside, they speak grammar. With all the grammar wey you sabi, na gay activist you end up. No just get sense for this life when you come. This life, better go that sense wherever you drop and go carry am back. You will not eat. No eat now. No, I don't understand. As you know the chop now, me will die. The kind chop where I go chop on your behalf, you never see them before. My people, make una watch out though. In case I don't add extra weight, no saying that this guy food that they chop very, very important. I know they joke. I bet my people now the matter be this. So they say that they refuse food now, they go on hunger strike. Wait till not suggest. To me, a good idea, because many people they hungry, so their food we go give them to people who really need them. Nonsense people. I bet start drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply now one by one as usual, and make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say now hunger strike now they involve. And if you never subscribe, I beg do so that you go get notified anytime we drop hot videos like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.